Jennifer, look out at that. Fabulous scenes, babies in the cup. How does it feel to be All-Ireland champions?
It's unbelievable. Like, my voice is gone here. I can't even put it into words. As I said after semi-final, getting to the final was probably unexpected for us. Even if I was to look at myself and back in November, I don't know if I would have seen ourselves here and being successful winners. So it's just unbelievable. I can't even put into words.
And tell me about the squad of players and your management, what they have done to bring this squad together to be All-Ireland champions.
Like, obviously a good few of them stuck around from last year when things didn't go our way. They got a few new people involved, and I honestly couldn't speak more highly of every single person that was involved with the group this year. There was someone for every minor detail, and like, they just put so much work and effort in, and we bought into it, and we're reaping the rewards, and we're so delighted.
And did you get inspiration from the men and winning their title also?
Yeah, I think so. Obviously that gave us a bit of a kick, and seeing them and how happy they were, we wanted to feel that, and obviously we focused on ourselves, and we knew that if we hit certain targets and went at the game, we could be successful, and it's unbelievable.
And your own performance and your dominance in the middle of the field, especially on their kick out, was immense in the first half. Tell me about that.
Yeah, I don't know. I think obviously everyone has individual targets, and for me, I just wanted to kind of get my foot on the game, and I feel like on All-Ireland final day you can't get lost in the moment, but I just wanted to do simple things, and obviously the team was overall, we put in such a good performance, and we worked really well collectively, so we're just so delighted.
And talking about individual performances, your fullback as well was immense today.
Like Leah Caffrey, Hannah Tyrrell, Martha Byrne, there's so many players in that team. Obviously she had the job picking up Louise, who's such an unbelievable player, but like, we back her every day, and everyone there gave their body and soul to get us over the line, and it's evident now.
And to come back here again, that's the objective with Dublin, to get back again.
Yeah, for sure, and we want to build again. There's so many new players in this year, so if anything, that should give them hunger to want to stay involved and push on and be here again next year.
Thanks so much, thank you.